In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a dotted line in AutoCAD. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a line and apply it so your line displays as dots instead of a continuous stroke. Start by opening AutoCAD and getting a blank drawing ready. To draw the line, we'll convert to dotted. Type line or simply L on your keyboard. Then press Enter. Click to set a start point. Click again for the end point, and press Enter to finish. Now select that line. You'll know it's selected when you see grips on it and the selection highlight appears. Next, open the Properties palette. This is the control center where you can change how an object looks and behaves. Press Ctrl-F on your keyboard. Or type Properties and press Enter. If the palette was hidden, it will pop up on the side of your workspace. With the line still selected, look in the General section of the palette. Find the linetype field. It often reads continuous or bilayer by default. Linetype is simply AutoCAD's way of controlling an object's pattern, such as solid, dashed, or dotted. If you already see a dotted option in that linetype list, you are in luck. But if dotted isn't listed yet, you'll need to load it into the drawing. Go to the ribbon at the top of the screen and open the linetype dropdown. Choose Other to bring up the linetype manager. Then click Load. In the list that appears, pick a dotted style that matches your standard commonly named dot or a similar dotted variant, and click OK to load it. Close the manager when you are done. Now return to your line. Make sure it's selected again so any change applies to that object, not to future objects. In the Properties palette, click the linetype field and choose the dotted style you just loaded. As soon as you confirm, the line will update to display as a dotted pattern. If the dots seem very tight or very far apart, that's usually just a matter of how your current view scale represents the pattern on screen. Zooming in and out will change how pronounced it looks. But the line is indeed using a dotted line type. And that's it. Thanks for watching.